Kape at wifi lang naman yung hanap ko pero bigla ko napalaro. Nanalo pa ng discount at may pa-freebie pa. Nandito lang naman ako sa Atmos Coffee Co. Located sa 13 Tangdang Sora Avenue, Barangay Talipapa. Napakaganda nga ng interior nila. Space and futuristic aesthetic. And the blue light is giving galaxy vibe. Super cozy ng place and napaka-welcoming ng staffs nila. They have sockets, wifi, kaya nga pala ako naglaro kanina dahil they will be having their launch party from July 28 to August 5. Maraming games, discounts, and prizes na dapat abangan. You just need to buy a minimum of 150 pesos and you will gonna get a chance to play the games. If you play, you get one raffle ticket. And every time you win the game, may special prize. Yun yung mga discount prize. Nabubunot ka. And yes, may chance ka pang manalo ng Atmos Bully and yung special prize nila for the raffle. At balita ko lang, parang 1 year supply ng basta. Kaya ang galing, kape lang naman talaga yung pinunta ko dito dahil mag-work ako at napalaro pa ako. And ayun, after playing, dumating na rin yung order ko na Cloud Latte. This is my first time to try this at napakasarap. Actually, nataranta lang talaga ako mag-order and then hindi ko in-expect na may ice cream siya sa ibabaw. First time ko itong matry and sulit na sulit sa presyo. I think this is one of my favorite na talaga. Kaya for sure, ito na yung lagi kong o-orderin. And yes, it's working time na. Another plus points, may CR sila. Kaya tara na sa Atmos Coffee. Sana manalo ako ng Atmos Bully.